Why your first tech job is the hardest to get. The biggest barrier getting your first job in tech feels the most difficult. Not because you're not capable, but because of one problem. The experience loop. Companies ask for experience. You need a job to get experience. This creates a loop. The reality, your first job is not about being perfect, knowing everything. It's about proving potential. What you're missing, most beginners don't show projects, real work problem solving ability, only certificates. What companies look for: basic understanding, willingness to learn, ability to apply skills, not perfection. The common mistake: waiting until you feel ready before applying. What you should do: apply early, apply consistently, learn while applying, build proof of work, create small projects, case studies, practical examples show what you can do. The shift from waiting for opportunity to creating opportunity. The result: more interviews, better confidence, faster entry into tech. The final take: your first job is the hardest. But once you get it, everything becomes easier. Rocket emoji.